Most people see a weeding project or a patchy perennial bed and think the work is done once. The mulch is down. A senior designer knows that is exactly when the real artistry begins. Today, we are performing material alchemy on the forgotten, the weathered, and the beautifully worn. We are moving past mass-produced, big-box plastic ornaments and revealing the structural logic behind high-end backyard decor ideas, converting vintage flea market finds, rugged whiskey barrels, and salvaged junk into an interconnected geometric skeleton of pure character. If you're ready to stop copying short-lived trends and start engineering an outdoor space, layered with authentic soul and personal narrative, you're home. I'm Beki, and this is the upcycled decor revelation. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. Today, we are celebrating the ultimate intersection of historical texture and botanical life. In 2026, premium landscape design isn't about sterility or spending thousands on factory-made items. It's about the atmospheric curation of pieces that tell a story. Whether you are a master gardener, a beginner, or somewhere in between, we are taking old, repurposed vintage items and pairing them with vibrant annuals and texturized shade borders to achieve infinite volume in our outdoor spaces. Today, we aren't just decorating, we are composing living art. Let's step into the logic. The upcycled decor revelation. 1. The philosophy of the reinvented antique. In the world of Beki decor, a garden truly comes alive the moment you stop worrying about what is trendy and start focusing on what brings genuine personality and character to your flower beds. This is the core of material alchemy. Once your perennials are coming up, a few things are rearranged, and you've tucked in your vibrant annuals. The real design magic begins. We use upcycled vintage garden decor to add a brilliant, soulful layer to our landscapes. Upcycling is taking old, time-worn pieces that were never originally intended for outdoor use, and bringing new life into them. When you pair a weathered, rustic relic with brightly colored flowers, something shifts. You create a visual dialogue between the dead, historic material and the fresh, living biology. This approach isn't just about eco-conscious, sustainable living. It is about designing a space that is completely full of memory, beauty, and individual spirit. It proves that the finest finishing touches cannot be bought new off a store shelf. They must be discovered and curated with intention. 2. The durable anchor, whiskey barrel logic. When looking for a foundational container to ground an outdoor layout, there is a clear reason why the classic whiskey barrel has endured through the generations as a gardener's absolute favorite planter. First, their structural logic is unmatched. They are incredibly durable, heavy, and long-lasting. Second, they bring an undeniable, old-timey rustic charm that immediately breaks the sterile lines of modern concrete patios. Every single type of arrangement looks stunning inside a barrel, from a simple drift of casual daisies to striking, high-contrast annuals and architectural ornamental plants. But we don't stop at flowers. Whiskey barrels serve as premium microclimates for a productive vegetable garden or a fragrant, dense herb garden. Because of their deep soil volume, they retain moisture efficiently while framing your edibles within a clean, circular geometric skeleton. It is a perfect structural piece that effortlessly balances raw utility with high-end farmhouse aesthetics. 3. Engineering powerful scenes. The art of the vignette. One of my absolute favorite design practices is putting together small, curated garden vignettes across different zones of a property. By definition, our vignette is a brief but powerful scene, a thoughtful composition that captures the imagination and leaves the observer wanting more. To make these work with strict structural logic, you should obey the universal rule of styling. Always arrange your items in odd numbers, grouping your objects in clusters of 3s or 5s to keep the eye moving naturally. We build these vignettes by sourcing authentic treasures from garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, and flea markets. Imagine a rusted iron wheels leaning against an old wooden ladder, flanked by a cascading pot of petunias. By scattering these small, intentional junk garden decor moments throughout your space, you turn a casual walk down a path into a virtual garden tour. You are guiding your guests through a series of discoveries, ensuring that every hidden corner of your yard offers a unique, artistic reward. 4. Vertical mechanics. Decorative stakes on slopes. Every garden possesses unique topographical challenges, and one of the most common issues is figuring out how to balance an awkward incline or a sweeping slope. When your flower beds sit on a hill, standard ground decor can easily look tilted, swallowed by foliage, or structurally unstable. This is where we introduce the vertical leverage of decorative garden stakes. Adding high-quality stakes to your outdoor spaces is an incredibly easy and effective way to introduce instant charm, vertical symmetry, and whimsical character. On a steep slope, a tall, well-placed metal or handcrafted stake acts as a visual level, anchoring the eye and rising above the surrounding perennials. Whether you create your own DIY stakes using vintage glass insulators or purchase beautifully crafted, rustic iron rods, you are injecting essential height into the bed. It establishes a soaring geometric skeleton that keeps your sloping gardens looking organized, deliberate, and beautifully balanced. 5. Container alchemy. The mismatched palette. For those who are working with limited square footage, or for anyone who isn't interested in managing massive, high-maintenance flower beds, creative container gardening is your ultimate path to success. The secret to high-end container alchemy is simple. The more unique, historic, and junky the vessel, the more compelling the design looks. We steer completely clear of uniform, matching plastic pots. Instead, we convert old vintage galvanized buckets, cracked ceramic crocks, and weathered wooden toolboxes into functional planters. To maintain proper plant health, we ensure proper drainage holes are added underneath the soil matrix. When you group these varied textures together on a patio or porch, you create an uncompromised sense of tactile integrity. The container itself becomes a sculptural piece of art, framing your flower combinations with a rich, historic patina that instantly elevates the surrounding space. 6. The final reveal. Cultivating a personal haven. At the end of the day, transforming a neglected plot or a plain lawn into a beautiful, character-rich oasis comes down to personal expression. It doesn't matter if you have a large garden or a small garden. You can take these creative upcycling ideas and reuse them to completely reinvent your home environment. By combining the raw history of flea market finds with the fresh, breathing texturization of a shade border garden, you perform true material alchemy. You've used structural logic to turn everyday discards into breathtaking backyard landmarks. True luxury is the willingness to experiment, to find your own style, and to surround yourself with an environment that you genuinely love. You've mastered the art of the upcycled vignette, and in doing so, you've discovered that your garden holds infinite volume when it is built with pieces that carry a soul. Thank you for joining me for this upcycled decor revelation. My prayer for you today is that you stop following the rigid design trends of the crowd and start hunting for the beautiful, weathered pieces that speak directly to your unique story. Grab a whiskey barrel. Start scouting your local thrift stores for flea market junk, and begin building those powerful garden vignettes that bring your yard to life. If you've upcycled an old item or added a touch of vintage magic to your flower beds this week, tell me all about it in the comments below. I want to see your creativity bloom. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in our next masterclass. Stay grounded in the light. Remember, your garden is a living canvas waiting for your signature touch. Don't be afraid to embrace the rustic, to honor the vintage, and to build an inspired outdoor area that holds your true personality with you. Use your hands, master the upcycle, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Keep engineering your sanctuary.